Hey there! Today we're going to be making some red velvet crinkle cookies. These are absolutely delicious and I highly recommend them. All the ingredients and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these cookies. Start by getting a clean bowl, and we're going to add our butter to this and our sugar. Combine it well. Keep mixing until it's fluffy, and then add in your eggs to this. Combine that well. Once combined, add in your vanilla extract and give it a quick mix. Then we're going to add in our salt and baking powder, as well as our cocoa powder, and our flour, red food gel, and combine that all well. Just mix it a couple minutes until it all comes together. Get your spatula and scrape your bowl to make sure you incorporate everything. Once this is combined, we're going to cover it up and then we're going to chill it for at least half an hour. Once it's done chilling, get your sheet pan, get your powdered sugar and your cookie dough mix. I'm using my ice cream scoop to scoop these out. This allows all my cookies to stay the same size. Once scooped, roll this around in your powdered sugar. And then place it on your sheet pan. This is very similar to the chocolate crinkle cookies. We're just adding some red to it. You can also set your oven to 350 degrees. Continue scooping your cookie dough and rolling it in the powdered sugar. You can vary the amount of powdered sugar that you put on each cookie. You can do more or less. Once you're done, bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. And once baked, you can move them to a wire rack to allow them to cool down. These baked with a lot of powdered sugar, as you can see. And there's the red velvet crinkle cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something, leave it in the comments down below. If you're new here and want to keep up to date with recipes, hit the subscribe button as well. I post pictures of everything I make over on Instagram. And as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay sweet.